Hi guys, hope you're doing well. So in today's lecture, I'm going to explain that how you can achieve this result. For example, whenever you are using your GS Swiper, in this case, for example, this is my first active slide having some text at the bottom. Similarly, let's suppose this is my first active slide having some text on the bottom. Then this is my second slide having some text at the bottom. And then when I click on the right, this is my third slide, but this is not appearing as an active slide, and the text at the bottom is not appearing because it's not fully uh, appearing at the right side. For example, I want this last slide of my swiper here instead of here. So I basically want to add some right margin so that this slide can be appear here instead of at the right corner, so that it can be appear as an active slide having some bottom text at its bottom. So how you can achieve this result, that you have to you want to display your last slide at this place instead of at the right corner. So how you can achieve this result, let's move to the web flow and see how we can achieve this result. So basically there are 4 to 5 line of custom codes which basically add some right margin to your last slide of your slider. So here is the code. Let's uncomment it. So basically this is the code. What this code is doing, this code is doing that it's swiper dot slide dot slider home. This is the name of my slider. So the last child of this slider, so it's adding the right margin to the last child of this slider. So basically I arrange some different margins for the desktop version and for the mobile version. So you can also add this at your according your requirement, according your needs. So basically what this code is doing, this code is adding some right margin to the last slide of my slider. So I will just provide this code in my comment box. You can just copy and paste and see the result. So this is the code which will add some margin to my last slide of my slider, and then last slide will also appear also displayed as I want, or as I required according to my design. So let's save it and have a publish. Okay, and you can see that now. So here is the section. Now you can see that when I click on the right side, and now it's adding some margin on this right side, and my this slide is appearing full at appearing as an active slide, and the bottom text is appearing. In the previous version you can see that when I click on the right arrow, this is my third slide and it's not appearing as an active slide. That's why its active text is not appearing here. But now in the new version you can see the active text is appearing because my slide is not now appearing slightly at the left hand, and there I have add some margin to the last slide of my slider. I add some right margin so that this can be appear slightly to the left side, and it can be displayed as an active slide so that it has some active text, as I have properties that my active slide should have some text at the bottom. So I can achieve this result by using this code. I will provide this code at in my comment box. You can just copy and paste that code, and hopes you like the video, hope you like the concept. Please do share, subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.